Hi, so I'd like to copy this look done to Lily James, and if you're interested how I do it, then stick around and watch. So it has been a while since I haven't filmed myself. I had my lash extensions removed kasi parang it's that pahinga stage naman. I've already put some serums and now I'm going to put my sunblock and my primer. I-mix ko na lang together para hindi masyadong marami ng steps. Isa akong steps na ginagawa sa face ko. So ayan, this is my sunblock and my primer. So let's do our eyebrows first. Because girl, palagi ko na lang siyang nakapalimutan kaya inuuna ko na palagi ang eyebrows ko. I tend to forget about them. I think I need to have a retouch na ng eyebrows ko pero ayoko muna. Sakit. Let's do our eyes. So I'm using this one from Rain Makeup. Parang a light peach-colored eyeshadow. And now choose this one. Parang may konti, may mention. Let's put also on the lower eyelid. Let's line it. And then zoom in also doon over eyelid. Ina ko ng lashes kasi, gusto ko pang malakasan talaga yung mata. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of shimmer here. And then na magkaroon ng life in mata. Then let's do the concealing. So parang I go for triangle here, and parang triangle here. And sa forehead, baliktad the triangle. Yeah. Then let's go blend. Then pang malakasan, blush. This one from Vice Cosmetics. Parang na rin siyang may pagka-bronzer yung color na to. Then I'm setting it with a translucent powder from Makeup Forever. Then let's try to contour na. Contour din. And I'm using this Pillow Talk eyeshadow pencil. I'm also using this Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip pencil. I'm also using this matching lip palette. And I'm going to use this palette to give me that glow. Wow. Tapos syempre maglalagay tayo ng pangmalakasang hairline powder. Kasi mataas ang moment.